Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I am back with another video today. So one of the most frequently asked questions on this channel is where do you buy your perfumes from, or even did you buy this specific perfume from? So after my last haul video, I got so many questions that I decided to make an updated video on this because answering them on DMs is not very beneficial for all of you. So without further ado, let's get started. So the last time I remembered I made this video, it had I think about 3 or 4 of the sellers that I was dealing with. So this time I'm going to start with all the new ones, new retailers, new sellers that I've come across and I have had a very good experience of buying from them. So I'll start with Splash Perfumes. Gaurav Verma, who is the owner and contact person of Splash. Now the reason I'm mentioning him is in this video and not in the last video, as many of you pointed out, is that I knew Gaurav and Splash. I knew about Splash last time when I made the video, but I had not purchased anything from him as of that time. So because of which I wanted to wait to experience my purchase, how seamless and the product quality and everything, after which only I could have included him in this video. So yes, Gaurav is a fantastic person, very friendly and very cordial in nature. It does not matter when you message him on Facebook or on Instagram, he will always reply. There should be no communication problem with him. Another important thing about Gaurav is that he has a wide range of collection. So it does not matter which perfume you are looking for in the designer or in the niche range, he will most certainly have it. That is what I've seen, because I wanted a few Serge Lutens which I was not getting anywhere, but Gaurav helped me to get them, and I was very happy with the whole thing. There is only one issue with Gaurav, which I'm sure many others will agree with me, whoever has already purchased from him, is that his prices at times appear to be a little steeper than the others. So that is a matter of concern. Otherwise, there's no doubt on product quality, authenticity, and Gaurav as a person is like a gem. So yes, you might have to bargain a bit if you can, otherwise no such issue. But yes, sometimes, and it's not like always, sometimes I've found Gaurav and Splash Perfumes prices are a little steeper than the others. And one more thing I would like to mention over here is that Splash is a genuine and authentic perfumes company that sells everything from niche to designer. But there is one thing, there may be other brands with similar sounding names. So please beware, because there is one, and I don't want to take names here. There are some that are extremely dubious, extremely fake, extremely low priced products are available on those websites. Don't be fooled, and don't don't confuse between Splash and any other name starting with S. That's my signal to you. The next company that I'm going to mention is Belvish Perfumes. So the next person that I would like to mention here is Akshay Ghai from Belvish Perfumes. So Belvish was a pretty new name to me, and I did not know much about it, but I just verified it with a few people, few friends from the fragrance community, and everybody said highly about it. Contact person from Belvish was Akshay Ghai, and over the time I realized I couldn't have a more seamless, more effortless communication and transaction with anyone like Akshay. I just had to tell him once and he got it for me. I think the one perfume that everybody was asking about last time is Flora Botanica, and this is the perfume that Akshay got for me from Belvish Perfumes, and I think I had given up on trying to get it after about 2 to 3 years now. And finally I couldn't believe that Akshay could actually procure it for me, but he took some time and he was very clear about the time that he's going to need, and I was okay with it. So he just went ahead and got it for me, and I made the payment. It was with me in the next 2 days. So it was that effortless and that seamless. So following that, I have purchased a few from him, and all I can say is that the same the same experience that I started off with is continuing, and I couldn't recommend him more. So he has a wide range of collection, and most importantly, the one thing that I really like about Akshay is he never says no, I can't get this or I can't find this. He says, just give me some time and I'll get it for you. So that is a positivity. That positivity works very well with me. So the weight is not always the issue. The fact that somebody is getting it finally and getting an authentic and genuine product for me is more important. And yes, price wise, there is absolutely no hassle. So the next fragrance retailer that I discovered was Siage Fragrances, and I discovered Siage when they first broadcasted about Maison Margiela replica. I was looking for a few for quite some time now without luck, and finally I got Jazz Club, which was a tester of course, but I was very impressed with the quality of the perfume. With Siage too, I had a very seamless experience, like of no glitches, absolutely. Just I made the payment, the thing came to me in a matter of 2 to 3 days, and that was it. So yes, I will definitely, at the moment this is the only product that I have bought from them. I definitely hope to buy more from them in the future. The products are genuine, the service is equally good, and you can always try. So these are the 3 new fragrance dealers that I have come across that I would like to share with you. Otherwise, my perfume angels, Ravi Lucky Nose and Pranay Agarwal and Rini Bansal, and they are all there of course, and they are always there. And so the next retailer that I'm going to talk about here is Ravi Lucky Nose from Lucky Nose Fragrances. I'm sure many of you already know about him, and those of you who are new on this channel and to the world of fragrances, you can take down his details over here. He's very well known across India right now. He has a wide base of customers all over the place, and he deals with both niche and designer fragrances, but mostly niche. The most important thing about Ravi is that he's the most accessible person in this world. So you can message him at 2 o'clock in the morning, you can message him at 8 a.m. in the morning, or 12 midnight. He will still reply to your messages within a matter of few minutes. So that's how he is. Extremely professional, extremely well behaved and polite, and he tries to get us products, amazing products at killer deals as he calls them. So yes, most of us have bought our Kilian's Xerjoff fragrances from him recently. They have been very, very popular. The next person that I'm going to talk about here is Pranay Agarwal. Pranay again deals with both designer and niche fragrances, and he's a very polite and a quiet kind of a person, so he's not extremely communicative, but you can depend on him for one thing. Once you have told him that this is something I'm looking for a long time, at some point of time he will definitely get that for you. He always has it in his mind, but he's not always the most communicative person, because of which people may misunderstand him. If you say something to him, you may not get an immediate reply, so keep the patience. But the one thing that you can always be sure of is the product quality and the genuineness, along with amazing prices. That's something you are promised the moment you're dealing with Pranay Agarwal. And the last but not the least name that I am very proudly mentioning to all of you, recommending to all of you, is Rini Bansal. She has her perfume store, and I have bought quite a few perfumes from her last year. And Rini is a very, very sweet girl. The fact that she's a girl out there in a world of fragrances which is mostly where business is mostly held in the hands of men, I'm very, very proud of her. And she deals with all kinds of perfumes. Like she deals with very, very pricey ones, she deals with affordable fragrances, designer fragrances, niche fragrances. So there's an amazing array of fragrances when it comes to Rini. You will always find something within your budget. I hope you find this information useful and helpful. So if you have any further questions, you can comment below or you can DM me on Instagram. And yes, that's it for today. So see you very soon in my next video. Lots of love.